Hello dear students, today we are going to start with the next exercise of chapter 7. Right? I hope you have started with the chapter 7 and you have written the first exercise, right? So exercise 7.2, question number 1. Write the numerical coefficient of each term of the following algebraic expression. Numerical coefficient, what does coefficient means first of all? See, coefficient means before the terms or before the algebraic expressions and variables, whatever numeric value is written is termed as the coefficient. Okay, so see, first 5x cube minus 7x square plus 11. So what is the coefficient in the first question? 5. Coefficient will write along with the sign, right? Suppose here it is minus 7, so coefficient of first question will be 5 minus 7 and 11, right? See, minus 7. Similarly for the second question it will be 6, 5 minus 2 and 7, right? See, 6, 5 minus 2 and 7, right? Similarly we can solve the rest also. Just you need to write the coefficients of the given term or the algebraic expressions. Okay, so moving on to the next question number 2. Write down the terms of the following algebraic expressions. Now you need to write the terms. What does it means? Means whatever the, see, excluding the sign of the algebraic expression given, all the other things, to whether it is numerical, whether it is variable, it is called term, right? Like see, in the first, this term is, what are the two terms that are being added or subtracted or used any mathematical operations. See, mathematical operations used here is minus. Between which two terms it is used? 2x and 3y. So what are the terms here? 2x comma 3y, right? Similarly here, along with the sign, you will exclude the sign in this, only you are going to write the term. See, moving on to the next, 2x and minus 3y, right? Sign we will put a comma. Why? Because we are denoting the terms, we are not writing the equation, right? We'll put a comma. Next, again, ax square comma minus bx comma c. When I am writing all these together, equation is formed. The given equation is formed. So these are the terms, okay? Similarly, 2a minus 3b 4c is the term for next c. 2a minus 3b and 4c. Similarly, you can do the fourth question, right? All these questions are very easy, just basic knowledge of algebraic expressions. Okay, moving on to the third question. Write down the coefficient of x in each of the following. Now individually coefficient of x it is asked, right? In the first question you need to write all the numeric coefficients. In this specifically it is said you need to write the coefficient of x. So how we are going to write? Wherever x is present, excluding x, whatever digits or variables or numerical value it has, that will be the coefficient of x, right? Suppose in the first question coefficient of x is 8, only 8. Now in this, moving on to the second question, x, this term has x, right? If we remove x from here, what are we left with? 4y, right? So what will be the coefficient of x for the given question? 4y. See, 4y. Okay. Similarly, third one, what is it? See, minus 3xy plus 4x square plus 6. Here it is x, excluding x, what are the number left? Minus 3y So minus 3y is the coefficient of x in the third question. Understood? Like similarly you are going to solve. Okay. Now moving on to the next question, that is question number 4. Evaluate the following. Now what you have to do, you need to put the values. First you are going to write the equation, and then value of a, b and c are given individually in each question, right? So you are going to write the values, write the digits, right? And you are going to solve the questions. So let us see how we are going to solve. First part, 2a plus 3b minus c, right? This is the equation given, and value of a is 3, b is minus 4 and c is minus 2, right? So 2 into a is minus 3, so 2 into 3, then b is minus 4, so 3 into minus 4 minus of 2, right? Now opening the brackets, 3 2s are 6, plus minus is minus, 3 4s are 12, minus is plus and 2, right? Now we will solve the same sign first. So plus 6 and plus 2 is 8 and minus 12. 8 minus 12 is, see, now plus minus is minus, so we will subtract the digits, right? So 12 minus 8 is 4, and answer will be negative because greater number has negative sign, right? So answer is minus 4. Next question, a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. So a is minus 1, b is 2, c is 3, right? So putting the values now, minus 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube, minus 3 minus 1 minus 2 into minus 3. So minus 1 cube is minus 1. Now 2 cube is, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 3 cube is, 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. So here 27. And see, now this minus is plus, right? So plus, and 3 2s are 6, 6 3s are 18. Now again we'll solve the same sign first, or we can solve like this also, right? 8 minus 1 is 7, plus 27 plus 18. We will add all the three numbers, answer is 52. So likewise we can solve the question, right? Evaluate means you need to put the values, put the given values in the equation or algebraic expression given, and find out a numeric value, find out the answer in numeric. Okay. See, similarly putting the values of a as 2 and b as minus 3, you can solve the questions further, right? So you can go through this question, and next also see, this I'll explain. 5 plus a square plus ab minus 9c. Now value of a is 5, b is 4, but c is 0, right? So let us see how we can solve this. 5 plus 5 square, since it is a square, value of a is 5, 5 square plus ab, 5 into 4 minus 9c, c is 0, so minus 9 into 0. 5 5s are 25, 25 plus 5 is 30, 30 plus 20, 50, so the answer is 50. This will be 0 because 0 multiplied with any number is 0 itself, okay? So the answer is 50. The last question, methods are all same, so you can go through the question and solve it in your copy accordingly, okay? Now coming to the fifth question, identify the like terms in each of the following. Now What does like terms mean? Like terms means the degree is same, the value will be same, right? Total number of powers will be same. Suppose here 2 power of y is 2 and x is 1, right? So 1 plus 2 is 3. Similarly, power of y is 2 and x is 1. So 1 plus 2 is again 3. Okay. And here x square, these are like terms. They have same variable. Similarly, minus ac and 1 by 3 ca in the next question. And in the last question, 3ab cube minus 4b cube a. Okay. So moving on to the next question. Sixth question, what is it? Let us see first. Write down the algebraic expression whose terms are. Now see, terms are given. You just need to remove the comma and write the terms given as it is. 6 minus 3x, right? Just remove the commas and accordingly to the sign. If nothing is given, plus sign. If minus is given, minus sign. And you can write accordingly. Okay, just you have to remove the commas and you have to solve. So by this question we finish off the second exercise. Note it down in your copies carefully and study well. Okay.